Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a payment form for free. No code, no monthly fees. In order to do this, we'll be using Tally Forms. We have the link to Tally Form in the description below so you can get a head start doing just what we'll be showing you after this video. Right away, we'll be using the new form option. Of course, you could go ahead and apply what we'll be showing you whenever you're using a template. So let's go ahead and click on new form. Once you click on that, this is what you'll find. The first thing we'll need to do is to give it a form title. Of course, we're going to put this as Happy Day Tours Form A. Now, we're assuming that you already know how to create some part of the forms and you'd like to see how you can add a payment form for free while using a form here on Tally. So let's go ahead and add a few things. I'm going to click on an area right here, / and we're going to select short answer. So the / provide you with a short list of some quick options. So we're going to use short answer. We're going to say full name. Great. And then we're just going to press the down key on the keyboard and it's going to take the cursor to another field. We're going to try to get an email. And just by pressing / we can get email right here. I'm going to put email, then press down again. And so we're going to add an option. We're going to say / and right here we're looking for multiple choice, so we're going to click on this. We're going to give it a question. Good. So we have choose tour type and we're going to provide two options. The first option will be city tour and the second one will be wildlife tour. So your prospective client will be able to choose the type of tour they want. Then let's say they've provided their full name, their email, choose the tour type, or whatever you be having in your own form. Then after they've selected the tour type, you be asking for payment. So of course they choose the type of tour and then they can go ahead and make payment. So we're going to use a / once again and type pay. And then you have payment and the input block payment. If you use the questions payment, you could go ahead and type in the question payment. And of course, that is required. Then you'll need to put in your price. We're going to say $28. And then you need to put in the currency. And then of course, in order to get your payment successfully done, you'll need to connect your Tally with your Stripe account. Stripe is the only available integration for payments for now on Tally, so you need to have a Stripe account. If you do, simply go ahead and click on Connect with Stripe, and this will initialize your payment portal or gateway right here within your form. So once you're done connecting with Stripe, this will initialize everything, and then you can go ahead and have a preview and click Publish. Of course, once you click on Publish, you have the option to share a link, and this is a link to your form. And then, of course, if you have a website, you have the option to embed your form using standard, pop-up, or full page. And basically, this is an option for those who are having websites and would like to put it in their website. So if you click on standard, for example, you'll be able to get code or copy embed link. So this is how you can create a payment form for free with no code and no monthly fees. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for Tally Forms in order to get your payment form for free. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.